How to delete billing address on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete billing address on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete your billing address on your iPhone, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the settings app, and then make sure to tap your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen. From here onwards, you want to simply go to payment and shipping, and when you go to payment and shipping, it might ask you to verify with your Face ID. So go ahead and then make sure to verify the Face ID, and right over here you should be able to see billing address, and now you can just tap the billing address option and make sure to simply enter a new address you want to use, and then make sure to save the changes. This way you can basically delete your billing address on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.